Okay, this is video 5. This is going to be page 18 and 19 of the credit 1 of the LPAC for listening. You're going to practice note taking. And so if we read on the top, it says, listen to an academic conversation between a math teacher and a student. Record a few minutes of their dialogue below. There's a big box on page 18. What you can do is set this up as Cornell notes. So draw a line. And on the left side of the line, you're going to write keywords. And on the right side, you're going to write the answers to those keywords. So if you use mathematical terms, go ahead and write that term on the left and then write what you think that word means. If it give you a math example, you can write example or EX on the left side and then actually write out the example. So this is just to check to see how much you can understand somebody's conversation, especially an academic conversation in English. So this is just good practice. And then you're going to, after the video, you're going to answer the brief summary of the conversation. Okay, so I'm going to play an academic conversation for you in math, so you don't have to go and observe other teachers. I already did the recording for you. And the conversation can be for a few minutes, so just listen and take as many notes as you want. Okay.
What do the instructions say? What's the problem say?
It's telling me to find the Social Security and 6.2% up to 90,000.
Okay.
And Medicare is 1.45%. The tax withheld per pay period when the annual gross pay is 32.231. And there are 52 pay periods.
Okay, so essentially, what's this question asking you? What do you think you're solving for?
To find the Social Security.
Okay.
And the tax withheld every
So Social Security tax withheld per pay period.
Okay.
Okay. And what else?
And Medicare.
Medicare tax withheld per pay period.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are they giving you how much he makes per pay period? Or are they giving you how much he makes annually?
They're telling me how much he makes an annual.
Annually, right? What does annually mean?
Yearly.
For the year. Right?
Yeah.
So for the year, this person makes $32,231.
Okay.
The question specifically is asking you to find out how much comes out of each paycheck, right? So how many paychecks is he going to get for the year?
52.
52. All right. So we need to remember that for the very end of this problem, okay?
Okay.
Because what they're giving you is they're telling you he gets charged 6.2%, right? It's 6.2% up to 90,000. Does he make more than 90,000?
No.
So we don't need to worry about anything going above it. So we're going to charge 6.2% of this $32,000 goes to Social Security. 1.45% of this $32,000 goes towards Medicare. Okay, when we're all done with that, we're going to be figuring it out annually. To figure it out per pay period, we need to divide by how many pay periods there are.
Okay.
With me? All right. So, where are you getting lost? Where are you getting lost on trying to figure out? What step are you getting stuck on? I guess is my question.
What should I do next? Like, it's giving me the annual
Okay.
gross pay, which is 32,231.
Okay.
And it's telling me to take out the 6.2%.
Okay.
And the 1.45% for the Medicare.
Okay, so how do you find what 6.2% of a number is?
You multiply 32,000, the annual gross pay,
Okay.
and the 6.2%.
Okay, how do you do 6.2% in calculation?
0.062.
Yeah, or you could do 6.2 divided by 100.
Basically.
Okay, perfect. So you tell me how to find, do what you think. I want you to try and find 6.2% of 32,231.
Okay, can I use the calculator?
Yeah, you just got. You can write.
So we got 32,231 multiplied by 0.062. And we'll get 1,998 dot 32, 222.
So let's write that down.
Alright. Let me just put every step Here we go.
Okay, so gross pay times 6.2% gives us how much he pays into Social Security for the year, right?
Okay.
How can I figure out how much Social Security comes out per pay period, per paycheck?
Paycheck?
Yep, how many paychecks does he get?
52.
So how can I figure out how much comes out per paycheck?
Should I divide the amount he makes with the 52?
The amount he pays.
He pays.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay,
so
give it a shot.
we get 38.42.
We can round that up, right? So
that's a long way.
38.43.
Yeah. Okay.
So every paycheck, how much money comes out towards Social Security?
$38
And
for
43
43 basically.
43 cents. So draw your work, write your work here.
Okay. Okay. Divide.
43.
43.
Okay. Perfect. Now I want you to take these steps and I want you to apply the same methods to solve for how much comes out for Medicare.
Okay, I think I get it now.
Try it out. Talk me through what you're doing.
Okay, I'm dividing the 32,000, the annual gross pay,
Annual gross pay.
with the 1.45% of the Medicare.
What step are you doing? What type of math are we doing?
What do you mean? What type of-
You said dividing. You're
Yeah.
dividing?
No, multiplying.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And yeah, for the second, what is that? Five. Oh.
Careful. That decimal's still right there on the calculator. Just clear it and start fresh. There you go.
Do I have a decimal to put a decimal or something?
No, you don't.
Okay.
That's supposed to be a comma. I think you just wrote it as a. I think you just put the decimal on the calculator.
And we'll get 4,600. 4,667.
460.
467.
All
Sorry.
right, and let's round this change up. So $467 and how many cents?
34.
30. We'll round that up to 5. Say the 9 is behind the 4.
Okay. So
If it's 5, if the
that's
number behind is
way to
5 or
get
higher, we'll round it up. So we'll make it 35. So
Okay.
467.35. All right.
67.
So is that 467.35? Is that his annual Medicare or is that his
No,
per pay
it's
period?
it's the percent they take per pay period, basically.
So this $467 is what they take annually or what they take per pay period?
Annually.
Okay. How do you find it per pay period?
I'm gonna do the same step right here. I'm gonna take that and multiply it, divide it. Sorry,
Divide by what?
with the 52.
Okay.
Is that right? Alright, yeah.